and where can we find good friends, brothers and sisters? First of all, realize that finding good friends is not easy. Good friends are like treasure. You have to dig deep. You have to be patient. Sometimes it takes years to find a good friend, but you have to take the initiative. Some people, they just want a miracle to happen. A good friend will not just suddenly appear at your door and knock on your door. No. You have to search for those good friends. So it requires an active effort from you. Now, one way to start finding a good friend, go to the respected members of your community and ask them to introduce you to good friends. Go to them, tell them, I want a friend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Introduce me to someone. The good and experienced and the elder members of the community, they have a sense of the people in the community. They can introduce you to friends. Another way for you to find a good friend, brothers and sisters, on social media. If you are interested in a friend, a potential friend, before actually becoming very good friends, go on the social media and monitor the activities of your friend. Look at their Facebook page. What kind of messages do they post? Look at their Twitter, their Snapchat, their Instagram. It gives you an idea of what kind of personality this person is. Look at their tweets. What are the things they discuss? Who are their friends? What kind of images do they favorite and like? This tells you a lot about this person. Go and do your research. It's possible. Another way for us to make friends, brothers and sisters, throughout the year, 365 days throughout the year, you know, when it's not Ramadan or Muharram, where we have daily programs here, there are people in the community, brothers and sisters. Invite them. Get to know them personally. How many of you do that throughout the year? Make it a point where every Saturday you invite someone from the community whom you haven't invited before. Sit with that person. See what this person has to say, and you'll sometimes find the good friend in such a way.